especially these days. Between inflation, supply chain issues, and keeping your lights on, making your money work for you is more important than ever. So, you've probably got a solid business checking account to handle your day-to-day transactions. But what about your emergency fund? That rainy day stash you hope you never need, but absolutely have to have? That's where a business savings account comes in. It's a safe place to park your extra cash, ideally earning some interest while it sits there. But with so many banking options out there, is Tide a good fit for your business savings needs? Let's dive in and see. Tide, the fintech disruptor. Tide burst onto the scene a few years back, promising a new kind of banking experience for small businesses. They ditched the stuffy brick-and-mortar branches and went fully digital, offering a suite of features designed to streamline your finances. They've got everything from free checking accounts with debit cards to expense tracking and tax tools. It's a convenient option, especially for entrepreneurs who are constantly on the go. But what about their savings options? Does Tide offer business savings accounts? Here's the thing, as of today, July 6, 2024, Tide doesn't offer a traditional business savings account. That means no dedicated account specifically designed to park your emergency fund and earn interest. Now, before you hit that unsubscribe button, there might be a silver lining. Let's explore your options. Alternatives for your business savings with Tide. While Tide lacks a dedicated savings account, they do offer an instant saver feature within their regular business checking account. Here's how it works. Earn interest. This feature allows you to set aside a portion of your checking account balance and potentially earn interest on it. The current interest rate is variable, meaning it can fluctuate based on market conditions and Tide's internal decisions. Make sure to check their website for the latest rates. Instant access. The beauty of this feature is the instant accessibility. Unlike a traditional savings account with potential withdrawal limitations, your money in the instant saver remains readily available whenever you need it. So, is the instant saver right for you? This depends on your business needs. If you require frequent access to your emergency fund, the instant saver could be a decent alternative. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Lower interest rates. Generally, traditional savings accounts offer higher interest rates than checking accounts with features like the instant saver. This means your money might not grow as quickly. Temptation to dip in. Having easy access can be a double-edged sword. The convenience of the instant saver could lead to dipping into your emergency fund more readily than intended. Exploring other options, traditional banks and online alternatives. If the instant saver doesn't quite fit the bill, fear not. There are plenty of other fish in the sea, or should we say, banks on the web. Here are some options to consider. Traditional banks. Many brick-and-mortar banks offer dedicated business savings accounts with competitive interest rates. However, these accounts might come with monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Online banks. Several online banks cater specifically to businesses, offering high-yield business savings accounts with minimal fees. These can be a great option for those who prioritize earning the most interest on their savings. The takeaway: finding the right fit for your business. While Tide doesn't offer a traditional business savings account, their instant saver feature might work for some businesses. However, it's important to weigh the convenience of instant access against potentially lower interest rates and the temptation to spend your emergency fund. Ultimately, the best option depends on your individual needs. Do you prioritize easy access or the highest possible interest rate? Researching both traditional banks and online alternatives can help you find the perfect fit for your business savings goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.